Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Res and I am a data scientist here in Germany. In today's video, we are going to talk about the difference between the data engineer job and the data scientist job. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So back in 2020, there was actually a report from DICE that says data engineer is the fastest tech growing job in 2019, with a 50% year-over-year growth in the number of open job positions. So as you can see, data engineer is also a very in-demand job. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the description, the tasks, the education, and the salary of a data engineer in comparison to a data scientist. So first, for the description of a data engineer. So data engineers are responsible for designing, maintaining, and developing the data platform. So they are responsible for data warehousing and data pipelines that brings together information from different source systems. So they integrate, consolidate, clean, validate, and structure the data so that it can be used by data scientists or data analysts. And one of their main goals is to really store the data in a very reliable and easy to access way. So the description is vague in the data scientist because it varies from different companies. The description is that data scientist works with data, extract information from the data, and gain insights from the data, and most importantly, communicate these insights. So the processes on getting the insights varies from simple descriptive statistics to doing some statistical modeling. So depending on the company, the task of a data engineer is to do some end-to-end data collection and intake and processing. So they monitor the movement and status of the data throughout the system, which can mean validating the data and cleaning them as soon as they become available. They do a lot of ETL, which means extract, transform, load processes, which means that they blend and process data from multiple resources and prepares the data for fast and reliable access. So the task of a data scientist varies from doing some ad hoc analysis to doing parts of the MLOps, which includes deployment and monitoring. So for the educational background, data engineers are mostly computer science graduates or IT or engineers, just because the nature of the job is very technical. For the data scientists, since data science is math heavy and statistics heavy, degrees are from the STEM background, but in most of the job descriptions, they really don't ask you to have like a physics or math graduate, so any degree from STEM would do as long as you know how to balance between the mathematics and the programming and the domain. So for the salary, this is according to Glassdoor here in Germany. The median salary of a data engineer is around 62,000 euros. And for the data scientist, it is around 60,000 or 61,000 euros. So that is my broad comparison between data engineer and data scientist. Honestly, I've read a lot of articles lately that data scientists will be nothing if they don't know how to do some data engineering skills. So I can prove that as well because data scientist really needs to know about cloud, how it works, especially on deploying your model in, for example, AWS services, or Dockerizing your model. So these are some things that you must know as a data scientist, and this is also part of the data engineer job. So there is a little overlap between the data scientist and the data engineer. So overall, data engineering is really about data warehousing, data pipelines, and doing some ETLs and saving the data to a data source so that it will be very accessible by a data analyst or a data scientist or anyone who uses the data in a fast and reliable way, whereas data scientist is all about data analysis, developing statistical models, and deploying these models. So that's it. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and see you on my next video. Bye!